Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to recover your Gmail account or how to recover your Google account without recover email, without phone number, without password, without verification code, without two-step verification. So inside I can show fast process. So first of all, go to your Google Chrome. After that, choose and open your Google Chrome. So in this here you can type or write sign in. After that, right top corner you can see sign in, click here. So in this here you can write your recover Google account, Gmail account or email account. After that, choose next, click on it. If you want to lose or forget your Gmail account or Google account or email account password, you can choose forget password, click here. Account recovery, enter the last password you remember using with this Google account. When you lost or forget your Google account or Gmail account last password, you can choose try another way, click here. And in this time I can choose I don't have my phone. After that, you can see we just sent a code this Gmail, and remember this Gmail account recover Gmail account. After you can see enter code. So in this time I can lose or forget my recover Gmail account. So that's why I can choose try another way, click on it. You can see couldn't sign you in, but in this time you can easily recover your Gmail account or recover your hacked or lost Google account or Gmail account without recover email, without phone number, without password, without verification code. So let's see. So minimize it and go to your phone settings. After that, choose and open your phone settings. So instead I can show second process or second method how to recover your Gmail account or how to recover your Gmail account password or how to recover your hacked Gmail account or Google account without phone number, without recover email, without password, without verification code. So let's see. After that, choose and open Google, click on it. After that, right top corner 3 button option, click here and choose and select help, click here. You can see search help. So in this here you can write find your password assistance email. In this here you can type or write find your password assistant email. You can see change or reset your password. After that, find your password assistance email. So in this step you can choose and select find your password assistance email, click here. After that, scroll down. So in this step you can choose and select tips to complete account recovery steps, click here. After that, choose and open account recovery page, click on it. Account recovery, recover your Google account, email or phone. So in this here type or write you recover Gmail account or Google account or recover hacked Gmail account or Google account. In this here type or write. You can see success. So in this way you can easily recover your Gmail account, recover your Google account without phone number, without recover email, without password, without verification code. Or after that you can see change password or continue. So instead you can choose and open change password. Choose a strong password and don't reuse it for other accounts. After, remember, use at least 8 characters. Don't use a password from another site or something too obvious like your pet's name. After that you can see new password. So in this here you can write or type your recover or you recover hacked Gmail account or Google account new password. So in this way you can easily recover your Gmail account or recover your Gmail account password without recover email, without phone number, without two-step verification code, or recover your hacked Gmail account or hacked Google account without recover email, without phone number, without password, without verification code. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.